Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make Clubstep monsters in Geometry Dash. So let's start with the first step, which is open the decoration menu and look for monster themed objects and basic shapes like circles, triangles, and spikes. Next step is create the monster's round green face using circle objects. You can also add a large circular eye in the center. Next is add sharp triangular teeth around the bottom of the face using spikes or triangle objects. So the menacing smile is iconic, so you can also alternate tooth size for more organic, scary look. Next step is apply neon green glow effect to make your Clubstep monster pop with that signature demonic energy. And lastly is complete your monster. So your Clubstep monster is finished, so you can place it in your level to scare players and pay homage to the classic demon level. So you can also animate the monster with pulse trigger for extra menace. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!